na flat tummy.
Leo kama koji kuna ndame ciena itambi. Nigetha wone uria nguo gukuharuka. Wena kitambi. Nirokire. Yes. They are there. I've seen them. Ina kitambi kiega biu. Yes.
Oguo ri mundu ukiri blessed na wikirite kio.
Yes.
Akiona uria nguo ekumuingira.
Mau ni mahoya mandu a bypass.
Na buroka.
No maragura ati ati makagwetara kindu to ria rahanaga. Riu ni kurarehirwo ndame ci mahana. Amose boshori. Naga cero wa Ipra. Riu mundu wathio uthio kagura nguo. Ndamiruga no iciruga magio guoko kumwe mbere yo. Gaikara nguo. Igacoka riu gakorwo ina icoka. Kura ti ati muharukite.
Ukagura.
Icoke guru ni je ikahiyo. We akisi dia hana atia.
No go.
Yes. No indo ni trona. Leo mara heda mejeke. Otogu mara hile ya vitambi. Yes. Sia kuore.
The vitamin nation imekumbukwa.
No, it is represented now. Oh yes. Reure. Because it's old school Thursday. It is TBT.
Yes sir.
The CU and the CA. Yes.
That must be school days.
Yes. A high school for that matter. There were clubs. Yes. There is a CU Christian Union.
For the clubs and movements.
And movements. And the Catholic Action. Narema ikona kandaka ajuma. Yes. Dio. There was that. The other, the Hebus is here, Kumileta was your the CU. Because largely a lot of Muslims. Yes.
Unless later on madukuma madhuda ni maki embrace it.
Yes.
Even other religions.
Absolutely. The wakoraga CU re. Ya korogo ishonete mono. Tondu mukigirora oguo ri. You see you had dwari na ground ya kuigira club star drama nake. You had not yet gone into the cartel system. Kule kota ina judgment ri. Atukujudge the CU na CA.
What you gori?
Yes.
Kugutiare ubaguzi.
Not a university first year. Leo CU re racemania ri. Wona ya uniform jeru. Okamenya riu the leadership ri. Ndwe makometeire muno ci report you. Mama igerie. Tondu kwa registration fee.
Riko na ka registration fee.
Yes.
Na kau sai maita maingi ni ka miss handoragwo. Ni officials.
Most of the times
to siphon.
Nigacika huthira gwe uruta inde nwa yes na ya huthirwo. Ithuo the toigira high school kwa jari ya body. Igia. Have you a world? You're coming from a world where you never used to sing Swahili hymns.
Ukamenya ni witheko.
Yes. Ugakora ni murero mugi ukasi you. Ugoka na ibuku rya kuria golden. You would feel elevated. Alisa sete above the hilltop. A blessed city, the Binna Matthias, the Binna Masala.
Jesus inano kina yalila.
Jesus is a kina yalila. Asatai the time. So that we get the preacher of the day. Ugacoka kamenya riu kwanjia mahoya na King of Glory.
You are indoctrinated.
King of Glory this morning.
He came before you.
Yes.
And give praise to thy.
Yes.
Holy name.
This wonderful morning I'm saved. I've got the joy of salvation in my heart. Aliko na wine and spirit kule mahi.
Asa jairia.
Ani au jaya see you. We are please God. Please God another. And they will ask you no hana it was like a script. But the language was a bad. You were not going to Rangoro.
She will kaga.
Don't get to me go the good Rocadi in the work when I do. No, you cannot. Don't give me a mega can call Gadi go na Kuaraho. Gaigo Mutura, Nakiri Rokia Mua. Monsieur Tariver Sirio cannot have the good on the mood.
Kuno Koragoida, totally different in Oromania, the Kuigua, Canida, Aquanimus. There was a set. This wonderful morning, I'm saved. I've got the joy of salvation in my heart. Let us play King of Growth. No more oh. I don't know what used to happen at Form 2. See you near Sokaga Shirin Kireg. You see now, Neakorago, Nigeria recruit, new entrance.
Yes.
In Form 1.
You see, there was a space from 1 turn and more Masera Mono.
Evokana Kumusha in February.
I don't need the Magra report.
Yeah, by then, hit the Magra report. Magari can do 1 week after reporting.
Okay, very confused.
I'm a man uniform.
This is not the primary. You are now in the secondary. And I don't know because I don't know some who became preachers eventually. I don't see life in your family. Kwaje hemu wako raka Form 3 naja niena CU Form 1. Yes. Ginyare uneme wa guide kaya moka. They even used to be encompassed into the guidance and counseling department.
No, wekagira mono orientation.
Yes. I don't know kako muituro na tafadha. Atimuni anani guide na kali kanso. Ono wako ona muthenya ucio ukero thi hare hari CU official akuhe life skills. Na konie gutwana na mwathani. Nyarire-ini ki?
Ugagitarwo.
Ye Atimuni acokire riu gutwika riu. Panyagi.
Mwendia wa thiki.
No kwena maro magia me hitwa wakora and they used to wow I thought those was unfathomable adu me hoginya me higaga kuria
go fast.
Yes. Near Danero Kemite. I don't know what became of Kemite. I have not seen him since. Kemite was entrenched in CU. Kemite used to pray in tongues. Yes. Leo Kemite kwidi ato haya kiwoka ibale ya utonya. Agetua le utoigire fasting ya thikoiti.
Ithano.
Ya kaenda iwata go huroka. Nagetura nigetha riu fasting yaku ikinyanire wega ri mathaa ma kuria ugathie the other side of the field ndukanungirwo niki
ni irio ucio ari Mackenzie.
No, it's good. Intermittent fasting is good. No cukuru secondary twako turia hutu full time.
Ona wari utakihunaga.
Ona wakiuma dining hall we muhutu.
Ate wakinya kurio we witheme hakuhi na dining hall.
Kemite atuige tuige.
Tienda muthisa hivi.
Wanake hatweta nganga mugurukire. Gire. Ai tukiwa le sape mwakiwa ni ligo.
Akiuga kama muo wa bewe ikare. Akiuga muo yocio.
Ai tukiwa le sape mwe. Akiwa ndari undu ngi areciria. Tiga irio icio tana.
He was psychologically affected.
Actually, he was not concentrating even in class. Mwalimu akimurekereria akaria. Na ethro ikombeke iria. Never mind, Kemita used to go even a week. No, my.
Osi akirero hoire biyo.
Yes. Ivyo twageririo horo ucio.
Mukiona ni mukuhuruka.
Tukiona ningi ona suicide ri. No mehia. Nese kuna mundu akonete na joka.
Takora tutiahundaga.
Kuhuta kwaje kiurauga.
No menya riu bwaria.
Yes.
Mwaspesa meals kindu matha 6 to 8 hours.
Yes.
Riu no akiona.
Ochoka tuke that 6 to 8 hours ri. You go another 6. Andũ arĩa mafastaga secondary ni akuinamerio.
Acio no makona muoyo.
Acio nĩ mabatie mauga acio nĩ mabatie marĩtwa mao makome. Nona kana bogora kauga marĩtwa magĩtano. Yani dengo. Ispa wajira. Mabatie makome akemite. Yes. Go fast in secondary. No, you know, most of the time in secondary school, mesiria maku maria maige maku oneda.
Da mafuku.
Na mafuku ti andũ aige.
Mafuku no amenya ni go force. Najisukuma kabisa.
Ndio joe mahura ndara ma see you. Manika ndara makwina eto weekend challenge.
Na rari.
Amothe oyo ori. Bobori.
Na imanda niyo makomagia metha iguru. Lakini si ni live.
Ni live.
Na kaundu kangi twagucagiririo nako twaingira uguo twi form 1.
Yes.
Mukaguciririo CA na CU. Ni gwakoragwo na attendance register. Watendio ati ku register uma present. Mukero uria urathondeka score yaku haria register ini.
Yes.
Kwagia function ya guthio cukuru ingi.
You are given priority.
You are prioritized.
Yes.
Till you get to around term 3.
Yes.
Ukamenya that's a scam.
It was.
Dhahabu Unlimited.
Yes.
Ine.
Reure.
Power.
Yes. You see, back in the days, the sources of energy were fairly minimal.
Sources of energy.
Yes. There was one we had never heard of that was called electricity.
Especially Masinani.
We used to relate it. We actually used to think Nairobi is another name for electricity. That's why it was called
Kiamatawa.
Yes. There was kerosene. That was relatable. There was petrol, LPG. Yes.
LPG.
Liquefied petroleum.
Gas.
And there was firewood.
That was pretty much relatable.
Very relatable. There we were home. Yes. And Shako was under firewood. Then the nuclear came later. Even today, most of us cannot fathom nuclear energy. Yes. And there is
geothermal.
Yes.
That was also not very relatable.
No, it was. Actually, we never used to learn about geothermal. I'm talking about my age. That he andu hakinyire icagicikiuka kwarahuka. Well, technology yarahukite muno. No he andu hakinyire ukireho kindu gitagwo solar energy.
Solar.
You see, solar mother, people are rapidly going green.
In a big way.
And when you have a sustainable 4-3-bedroom house, when you have around 500,000 to 1 million, depending now power you're ready, you get a very good solar system. Teno eke one murata witu eta watia.
Murata witu witagwo John wa Transford Solar haria Ruiru.
Exactly. Ugekirwo a comprehensive solar energy solution.
Irasavu muci waku wothe.
Irathiruke ginya machine ya kuhura nguo, ginya ngihura fan, na ngihura ginya shower.
Yes.
Tondu system cikiri kuo. We no kuigirira. Kana damani. Njoroge wa damani solar. Teneli. Solar ciokoro uguo ri. It was a very basic thing.
No, sorry, I very basic the other day.
Yes. Ne betrita ya gari.
Dito taroro nero.
Na panero ino.
Imwe.
Yes. Na solar de inukagio muthenya.
Apana.
That is like putting up an advertisement to the potential thieves.
Actually, mushi wothe wari na solar uhede yo.
Yes.
You would attract thieves.
No, it would. You see, it was priced.
You had to invest in a good dog.
A good dog. Onoko no mevire miruru na kaheo kigi. Kirio kigi gimaine negethe giake. Igiorume. And then of course ichokeru eruturo wira uria wa badiso negethe rure makiria. Najua eroji wa badiso ya twara woruwi. Tondu haria ekirwo ati ndiacokaga ho. Nduge mekiri ati muciiri
no kura
riu ya twaragwo ruwi nigetha yore coke ki
inuke.
You had to have that to guard your panel. Yes.
Ya solar.
Amwe nao ri panel ya koragwo i discola.
Ya no mageke inukaga.
Ya rogotario wa
egacokio nyumba
mugithie toro mugathi nayo na nethie na thiini. Yes.
Kuria gukanyiragwo
kundu muici ucio angiuka you would have to deal with your father in person
na itimu riake
na ruhiu rwake rwa gutuira ruria ahura akigwa rita rimwe. Aria mari na mwegariurire wa ciringi sore no ri ya kagirwo frame mabati iguru. Never mind. Ona aici ni marukagia frame hamwe na ibati rimwe
marathie nario na muno aici ya solar ri.
Yes.
They used to take advantage of the rainy season.
You see kwe hinde bura ya thadanaga wega rwongo we
Proper.
You would not even hear yourself think.
Ginya radio wakia radio ndungiigua.
Bura ni ya thadanaga. And you see of course you go to gypsum, some
nice ceiling,
affordable ceilings. So they give the home a good ambience. Tene bura ya uthaga ifati.
Mumithikiriirie.
Ona ni ungiarwaririo tuku mugima urire gukie.
Utakoiguika.
Well, ore iura. Ukeria kwaniriria kiriro bura na wekirana ni hi.
Na yekongerera volume.
Aicia sora na mambata hindi. Ni ona kwaura wega ngui nacio ni ciateka break.
Na ikehitha rungu wa ikumbi.
Yes. Kana igathi kwa nguku. Mwarahukaga. Na mutikopa kurora iguru. Hitukito nyumba ciothe cia korogo thi wa renji. Wa mase. Keithe kai.
Tienoru.
Ni akiura nene.
Neke.
Ya mukuira nginya sora.
You would feel like dying.
You would feel like you know that was literally like you colonizing your home. No me adora magura panel ri. Magura TV eto Great Wall.
Great Wall ni etagia mukorona ga panel ga solar
na ihiga. Yes. Ndirenda gukwira atiri. Utherio cio no abokagagia andu. People would come to benchmark. You see your home would be visible from the other edge. Yes. They would see you.
No, but you go no theri.
Yes. Andu ni maugagia ni maraconoka. Yes.
Mucoke mwabatia area ya TV.
Na hau niho wija wara okona kuube nyumba yanyu ni ri mianya.
Utuko wakia thitima. Menyerere otheri.
Ona nginya nyumba terere era iguru. to nginya okurugu kwina karaini gothe
no muthe uri ni deko umuthi
it's deco yes soda na ko panero ino
imwe
yes ya na gicicio
tecicio ici ciendagio ya kururio
kaigua soda riu ni agia mwaki ka TV ni kiuragua we
na soda cia ndio kana cio ciari very demanding keriwa utatindite riwa ri you are off the grid
no you literally mutire talking Ari mathoguo ni agura acora yo akaga fans cia gutambia riu grid
cia gutambia mwaki rumu ciothe
akaga step up transformer
and wiring
yes riu akora area sitting room na gwake na thiini so kuri andu meana rogo
Nage digital in the same house.
In the same house, there are people who have access to the grid. Na kwe matari.
Ugo no go bururi uhana nginya umuthi.
Oyo kora transform mai haya na inyi mutigo irio mwaki. Yes. Riu akora muno urahuthira rudimentally.
Na mwana uyu ungi ni wa upgrade re.
Yes. Na thoguo ndi angia kuringire akuya kuhurukie. Utambitie waya cube urutite solar-ini.
Are you mad?
That was like siphoning Kenya Power.
Cietagwo illegal connection.
Illegal. Ati niwe guiceria drop.
Wiguitheirie mwaki.
Yes.
Utathiete through Kenya Power.
Do na reference number.
You don't even have an account with the service provider.
Gutino yo nyamu cietagwo coordinate.
Ndoya nete ginya namba cia title na mugunda
era namba ucoke wiguitherie mwaki
ti ukeguceria mwaki cube
you are a cabal.
That is siphoning.
It is siphoning. Never mind no yanga yo kegorera waya na girofu no kire thina okagira ni ati riu weri watambirio mwaki ri ni uko waste na rwebo
nigetha uhurage ndumburu.
Yes. Hey mucie wina sora ri ona ndo makiyeto koguo ri it was a statement of stature.
Solar.
That was opulence redefined.
Of course it's solar mwekugia solar ri no nginya mungiageire TV.
Yeah.
That was given.
Actually it's like they were cuisine. Wagura solar wina mbeca ciake
cia TV.
Ya TV. Yes.
Kuu ni kuonagwo taarifa
wega view na gukonwo fitibi.
You are not in the dark.
Na vio jamaa kama na mukora Sabine kaire tu tausi
na leso
na mukona muiru
Sunday afternoon.
Yes.
Kuna nuru gizani.
Ndio hiyo. Msikilizaji wangu ni Bishop Pius Moiro na kuna nuru gizani. Alipita katikati ya Mafarisayo lakini hawakumuona. Ingawaje samaki walikuwa wengi, neti haikupasuka.
No, solar was big.
No, it was a big thing. What are you saying? Mwana ya dunia wiki hii
mwe kwanyu mwikaire metha-ini
mukiroragira Musuda Biola tongoria na Hasani Abacha atongoria magoko ya Nigeria
na mwina mwaki wa gupawa kinanda gia thoguo kia mahiga matandatu gite kungorota
kirathiurukia mukwa wega gite kuthirirwo bairo na gikari wa idi. Yes.
Panasonic.
Yes. Na ni wa guthoka kenda kuhurukio unyithanithia wa cia sorone kana ciraruta That day.
Shanzi.
The Gen Z. I can make your macro mata hoot. The Kijamara, because they just put a switch. They don't know the struggle.
No kohinya switch.
Switch. Yes. And you know the people who complain most near Macro to accomplish. Yes. If you saw Katwana like the heavens have come down.
We have seen darkness and light.
We have seen this continent when it was called the Dark Continent. You don't understand the way space is. Africa on a Kaiga strip Cairo.
They got the Dark Continent.
Yeah. Dear, Raure, still on changes in time, packaging. Yes. You see, when the Kurina menas Jerumuno ya plastic bags, and they were since banned. Okay, the same biodegradable ones that are out there. Mata the Marioku, no the Kushi Makomana Changa.
Medagio Mahidetu
on the black market.
Yes. It told na Morgan Yitwa.
You quenya like a dog. Yes. The Kushi don't get to kill plastic. Because there is a time the plastics we know now were non-existent.
True.
Yes. Everything was either metallic or a hard fiber. Yes. You know the Gen Zs and then they had they are the transitional generation. Yes. Either we thought our transition we kind of Gen Z. Hey Maguta Makoria. Yes. Makorogo mukefeine. Wa mokefe a teen. Yes. Now moving forward, Nitira which Yasika ni no new horo a mekefe gothi.
Mekefe a virali.
Yes.
Nitira will also die.
There were products we would see rogo. Nitira ine. Tutamanya ai ni shere kanio ye kiretu okay. So no na nyitira doom.
Okay, well, what is this?
What is Johnson eat? Doom Neki. Yes. You Neki. Okay, you network mionane ado kirio is somewhere along the way. Yeah, you know, in some solemn occasions.
Na blue body.
Yes. Blue body. Kibo. Cowboy. Well, cowboy, it was not a mass product.
Son.
Cowboy, Nico carry that.
They only carry premium.
Yes. Before everything became plastic. Yes. Now, Mekefe no yakoro is sealed. I'm sure even the shelf life then, yari longer. Todo it was a sealed pressurized container. Yes. Noko higora nyamwe ori. Mwagora magutari. It was technical.
Kuhingura tini
yes.
Na kuo kwari o githomo.
Well, nĩ gwakĩrĩ mĩciĩ ya andũ a maendeleo. Marĩ na the tool yetagwo tin snip.
Mĩciĩ ya andũ a maendeleo.
Marĩ na tool yetagwo tin snip. Magathĩ marengaga mũkebe wa maguta mũgacoka mũgatahia. Na mũkebe ũcio kũrenga ũru nĩ wa gũtemaga ũru.
Ũru mũno.
Yes. You know, it was very hard metal. Yes. Nĩ sheet metal yarĩ mata. Kahingũra.
Ndio mũikarĩtie maitũgu hau makĩhingũra mũkona arĩ ũndũ mũnene.
Yes. Rĩu arĩa mataĩra tin snip ĩyo rĩ. Nĩ kahiũ na rũbaũ. Yakinya nuthu mũkoya. Hindi gutiara indo cia guthima by the way.
Acha. Everything was packaged.
Everything was packaged. And there were, I think economy ya mdogo ndiakinyete. Tonie diari kana ngiona ka blue band kaigano.
Then that tells you hede ori.
Yes.
The economy was doing well.
It was doing all right. Never mind rogo indo icio itiakinyaga.
Avana.
Yes.
Avana.
ndirakwira Blue Band yajagia 500 grams. Yes. Kwa butter. Yes. Of course there was the misio ya maendeleo mekinyageria drinking chocolate. Drinking chocolate ya kona mukebe ginya wakoragwo na riri. Gikuniko ni branded. It's like engraved. Yes.
Na nigatukenagia na karangi ka gold.
Yes. Gikuniko.
Ukone hana kirauni.
Wetha giciko ka bia. Kwaje rĩu kĩrĩa gĩatu excitaga nĩ gĩkunĩko kĩu nĩ gĩakorwo na kamithi thĩinĩ. A very shiny aluminium like foil. And ideally it was there to preserve freshness. Yes.
No, ikoro airtight.
Yes. Guturikia kanyamu kau ni wonaga ta migiko ya matuini ureheria.
Uheto privilege ya gutumuna mukebe wa chocolate.
Yes.
Sia.
Ukona like you have opened the gates to paradise. Yes.
So keri urumena gisiko.
Yeah. Well, never mind the rare occasions mogi agori drinking chocolate. It was a ration resource.
No, high relation.
Mwaneanagirwo kuma haria hesa.
And it was not a daily consumption thing.
Yes. Na tena onatia daily. Sometimes they go drinking chocolate. Igathira mutare mwamesha manywe mwithuraku. Na aciari meigagirira imagined allergies. Iga ni athukagirwo ni maca.
Ni macani. Yo tideka macani na mauma aciringi nyanya.
Nigetha muone soso ari. Na drinking chocolate ni cia andu special.
Na thoguo when things are well.
Yes.
Aigiro cai haria nja.
Yes.
Akaigiro option.
Yes.
For chocolate and cocoa.
Cocoa. Well, Milo never made it there.
Milo was not Tiarugo.
No, Milo never quite made it to the Crown Highlands. No gathutho you.
On very rare occasions.
Yes.
Mwina a relative kana mundu wanyu sherete from a city.
Yes.
Akimo treat.
Or a grandmother who inherited wealth from your late grandfather.
Nadaheaga nduothe.
Yes.
With no apology.
When she started controlling the houses in River Road. And they come a Congo. And the Botella.
When she became estate administrator.
Estate administrator. Hidio ni agora Milo. That was kept under lock and key. Yes. Leu ogio kira ini wega so guori. Especially koro twetora ini either ciana ciake
kana muthuriwe.
Direct reference. Tiathoni. Ni akuru magiraga ciko.
Ehewe kiriro Milo.
Kauru, yes, Sunairo.
Kaya andu mebia ni maikara wega.
Yes. Otherwise from there, you would not fathom. Tondu he kindu kingina kio gitakinya arogongo. It was still packaged like that mukebe-ini. Yetagwo plum jam.
Jam.
Yes. Quite plum jam and marmalade. Marmalade nino yakoro tari yellow. Yes. It was somewhere between honey and some orange stuff in there.
Yes.
Lekware nyamu yetagwo ri. No, yado rogo. You see, everything was in a nice can. Hali milk powder ya KCC. Iriari yake
ya motu.
Yes. KCC. Yes. Ya kudo gisiko. Kaiga tesoguo ri. Nakijesie miaka ya kuregana na iriari ya ng'ombe. It is too much lactose. Yes. Niko iriari ya ng'ombe ugiashoni wa. What is this?
Nuwaiguaga
You see, there were no sachets. Sachets you can do
though. Icio nĩ cia thutha mutheri.
Which economy yanjia guthukia ni hokire sachets. Tena gutiare sachets. Ate sachet.
Sachet cianjia kindu around 2001.
Yes.
Hau uguo.
Actually, okoe kindu kina kio ya package go wega. Ni glucose. You see akona mukebe. Alafu thini karatathi. Karatathi thini na mukebe thini ugakuniko.
Icio at least ni muonagira thukuru hindi ya mathako.
Ti thukuru ciothe. No. There's a time everything was quite functional around here. Yes. No ciothe. Gwesiria packaging ya muthemba ucio by today's standard would be very expensive.
No, it would be a cost.
Very expensive.
Weka packaging ya muthemba ucio.
Absolutely. On a juice ya 3 top was glass.
A glass.
Very heavy duty, heavy gauge glass. Yes.
Na ne yacoka mwani na juice ri.
Yes.
Riu cuba yo ne yahuthika kugira iria.
Wega biu na yari lita nga. Igekiro muchakwe. Yes. There was no plastic. Ona care because ya memera sitagekira plastic in. Yes. Ona kero yari naka. Yari naka togi ke hota ke gakona riri. Na engine oil ire original ya Toyota. Na ATF. Yes. Kero ya kira go hau. Yes. Na ivyo twerorera maundu maicenjia. Twakora nginya riu sachet. Yes.
Yoka cia tukora nginya bombe ya package ona sachet.
Yes. Hende o mori wekira onyamu ya hana carton. Yes. Very good packaging. Very nice.
Ona iria ndora manyure iria ria nyayo ri.
Yes.
Packaging was
absolutely. Thabuni wa Imperial ri ndwathira karembo gaka nginya riri ukarikia wira. And there was not much pollution because it is just the
recyclable.
Yes. Just wika tawa. Yes.
Tondu tini riu ni cia gicoka gutukinya riu cinyitira.
Muona Bluebird mukarigo ino ikoragwo indu
iriagwo nima
ikoragwo ni kindu kingirio tomutie muona. Those were the good old days, I tell you.
Thaiko vira 47 tugicoka ni tuguka gwethana na muhotani ungi mundu wihotanire mbeca thimu-ini ni undu wa kuhura *420#. *420# hau ina mweke wa kwihotanira mbeca nginyagia ciringi 300,000 tukurire kuhura *420# ndurihagio kindu iwe koragwo ri free.
Aithe ni Michael Kimonyo wa Green Ridge Estate.
Ndageithika Michael Kimonyo.
Rugongo rwa kwanyu cera lakini yakinyite. Yumete ku.
Irehetwo nu.
For who?
Egorirwo.
What marketing strategy would they even have had? Na nginya andu ne mauga ciana cia cera lakini.